let's start with our general Euro quiz time. So this is a different design example. Let's just try to warm those brains up. Last time we learned how to design a 4-to-1 multiplexer using 2-to-1 multiplexer. So in this example, I want you to practice to use 2-to-1 multiplexers again to build an 8-to-1 multiplexers. It's just slightly more complicated, but it's going to be fun. Let's just draw the diagram first, and then write down the truth table. It's a simple truth table, similar to the 4-to-1 multiplexer we did before. So I will give you some time to practice on this, and if you again, if you have done it, please click the green yes button for me so I know when we can move on. Okay. Okay, I got 12 yes. So let's have a look at the answer first. So it might take you some time to draw it. I know you know how to do it. We have done this before. Once you know how to do a 4-to-1 multiplexers, 8-to-1, 16-to-1 should be similar, right? So let's have a look at the answer I've got here. Okay, so I'm going to zoom this in. Yeah, okay, this is how it should look like. So you've got I0 up to I7. So these are the 8 input. So what we did before is half of this, like these three, this group of 3 2-to-1 multiplexers, they can give us a 4-to-1 multiplexer. Similar, these three can give us a 4-to-1 multiplexer. Combine them two, we need another 2-to-1 multiplexer to just switch between these two second stage output. Okay, so it looks like this. And if you have a detailed look at this control signal S0. So this S0 is the control switch S0 bit, and it's used to control the 2-to-1 multiplexers. So at this level, this entry level, so they are all switched by this single bit S0. So it's switched one out of these two in, similar for these other three groups. And the second level, second stage is that we use S1. So this is the second bit for the switch to switch between these two input getting to the second stage. Similarly, we have S2 to switch these two input getting to this last stage 2-to-1 multiplexer. And if you go, I go through one example, 0 0 0. So when switch is 0 0 0, so let's move from the right side to the left side. S2 is 0. This one gets selected. Okay, this one gets selected. So we ignore everything here, the second half. So for S1 is 0, this upper half is selected. So we are selecting this one. So this 2-to-1 multiplexer's output is selected. And if S0 is 0, and we are selecting this input I0 to go through this path and then get to the output. Similarly, if you go through all these truth table output, you should get only one input selected and then going through a particular path to the output. So this is the 8-to-1 multiplexer is pretty straightforward. So hopefully we all get it. Now I'm going to close this and we can start a new chapter today.